Ronaldo.
I've tasted something, waiting for the embers to say glow. And I don't know all I've ever seen before. Were clusters of toys waiting for the world to burn, waiting for the hearts to close now, waiting for the world to burn, waiting for the hearts to close. I can't see the holes in my memories, the first run out again, for you and I.
Thank you.
Hop off my dick and get your drip up, you crusty-ass monkey.
I bring no 4G's on the G. I came into the bloody bottoms is on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember getting them all with the whole team. Now niggas paying us a call cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in a body. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All the designer on my body got me drip trip. Straight up out the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'ma sit. I run and wrestle with my queen like none in the nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I did it for geek back. I had to go through the struggle, I did it for geek back. I had this out of the mimic and I want to sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Come get the money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some fees, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Had out the pain and I gave my bitch a new tooth. Either you for the yard gang or just woo woo. Got a new on that bitch and man, that pussy voodoo. Ain't not a nigga now, oh no. I put the new 4G's on the G. I came into the bloody bottoms is on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember getting a ball with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer call cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in a body. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got it bad bitch ass, tatty, whoa, whoa. To venture to my toes, two twins, I'm fucking them both. I put in no AP in the water like a boat. I was damn it on my dick, what was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I see you swerve back, cause I'm in the black back. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Color cameras on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that no dente. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers that did the time, I ain't kidding. All these rappers to talk about it, I know. Going up, I ain't got no sky. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, G. I can't maintain all these bottoms is on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember
feels like you don't care. Enlighten me, my dear.
We're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel the kind of pain that puts your insides down. It's something I know all about. Shocking, ain't it? Is it because it could be her? Many mistakes make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because it could be her? Made me awake and make me hurt. I can't fix you.
Fix you.
Done explaining. This is because it could be her. Many mistakes make me hurt. I can't fix you. This is what happens when you leave it to somebody else. If you want it done right, you should just do it yourself. You oversaturate your world with nothing but machines. You might make everyone happy, but you're dead inside just like me. Now we're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel the kind of pain that rips your insides out. That's something I know all about. Shocking, ain't it? We have a lot more in common than you would become with. It's like we're the same person, me and you. We both don't know what we can do. This is because it can be hurt. Many mistakes can make me hurt. I can't fix you. Is it because it can be hurt?
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. But I will waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you hurted me. I'm mad.